Python data type conventions and typecasting. So we are going for implicit and explicit type conversion. So we have defined num int is equal to 123 and num float, that is a flow, is equal to 1.23. So here we are doing this addition in between the integer and the float variable. So what will be the data type of this num new? I'm printing the num int type, num float type, and then the num new we are going to print and its respective type here. So here is outcome. So num int is of type integer, num flow will of the type of float, and here we are having this num new, the respective value, that is 124.23, and the data type of num new will be float here. That means automatically this num int has been converted to the float by the implicit type conversion in Python. So let us go for the next one. So here we are having this integer and next one is a string. So their respective types are getting printed. So respective types are getting printed. So now if I make the respective addition, there is a num int plus num str. If I do this addition, then obviously the implicit type conversion will not take place. That means if I go for execution, that means adding one integer with a string, then it will produce one error, and the error is known as the type error. It has been raised, and unsupported operand types for plus, that is int and str. There is a int and str. So this is the unsupported types we have provided with the plus operator. So that is the source of the error. So this line should not get executed. So I'm putting this one under comment. But if I want to do, so here is, so you can find that integer and the string variables are defined, their respective types are got printed, and now I'm converting this num str to integer and assigning to the num str back again. So now we can also change the variable name here, no issues, but here just updating this num str with the integer converted value from the string to the integer, and that will be assigned to num str. And the type of the num str has got printed. So here we are expecting it will print of the type of string, here it will print of the type of integer. So now num sum is equal to num int plus num str. Now the num str is of the type of integer, so the addition can take place. So num sum will print the summation, and type of num sum will be also of the type of integer. You can find this one. So data type of num int is of the type of class int, and num str before the typecasting is class str. So num str after the typecasting class int. After doing the typecasting, if you go on printing the type of num str, it is printing that one as respective integer, and then after doing the addition between these two, the respective sum will be obtained, and that will be of the type of integer, because when you are printing the type of num sum, we are getting this one as class int. So in this way you have discussed how to do the explicit type conversion and what is implicit type conversion in this particular example. Thanks for watching this video.